IUPAC name, that is the name which is given by International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. IUPAC name. IUPAC. IUPAC name has two parts. The first one is stem, which is also known as root, or it is also known as a parent chain. Stem tells the number of carbon atoms in the chain. What type of information is obtained from stem? Stem tell us the number of carbon atoms, number of carbon atoms in the chain. Right, students? And the second part is the suffix. What type of information is obtained from suffix? Usually suffix is placed after the stem. It tells the class of compound. For example, for alkanes, the suffix "ane" is usually used. For alkanes, what is the suffix? Ane. Ane is usually used as a suffix for alkanes. Now students, we will understand stem and suffix by taking different examples. For example, if we have a name, IUPAC name, that is butane. Butane. Now there are two parts. Bute is the stem. It is the stem, right? And what type of information is obtained from stem? It indicates the number of carbon atoms in the chain. Number of carbon atoms in the main chain. Right, students? And the second part is ane. Ane is the suffix. What type of information is obtained from suffix, students? Suffix shows it belongs to alkane family. Alkane. Now students, we will understand this concept by taking different examples. For example, a compound is given to us and we are asked to write its IUPAC name. Compound made up of 4 carbon atoms, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Now we are asked to write its IUPAC name. First of all, we will see the stem. That means how many number of carbon atoms are present in the main chain. So we count the number of carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Since there are 4 carbon atoms, right? So what is the stem? Stem is started with bute. Bute shows there are 4 carbon atoms. Now all the 4 carbon atoms, they are connected with the help of single covalent bond. Right, students? So which suffix is used here? We use the suffix ane. Ane shows it belongs to alkane family. So what is the IUPAC name of this molecule? The IUPAC name of this molecule is butane. I hope it is clear. Now see one more example. For example, if we have a molecule which is made up of 5 carbon atoms, we write its structure: CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Now students, we are asked to write its IUPAC name. First of all, we will see the stem, that is how many number of carbon atoms are present in the main chain. We will write the numbering. We do the numbering: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 carbon atoms. So stem, what is the stem? It is made up of 5 carbon atoms. Since there are 5 carbon atoms, so we use the term pent. Pent shows there are, penta means 5. 5 carbon atoms are there. Right students, now identify the bonding between all the carbon atoms. All the carbon atoms are connected with the help of single covalent bond. It means this compound belongs to alkane family, ane. So we used a suffix ane, ane. So what is the IUPAC name of this molecule? It is pentane. The IUPAC name of this molecule is pentane. I hope this is clear. Now we see one more example. A molecule which is given to us. It is made up of 6 carbon atoms: CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Right students, write its IUPAC name. IUPAC name हम इसका लिखेंगे. We will identify the stem. That means how many number of carbon atoms are there in this molecule. Right, so we do the numbering of carbon from either side, either from left hand side or either from right hand side. So write the number on each carbon atom: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many carbon atoms are there? There are 6 carbon atoms, students. Right students? So that's why we use, what is the stem is made up of 6 carbon atoms, so we use a term hex. Hexa means 6. All the 6 carbon atoms are connected with the help of single covalent bond, so we use the term ane, hexane. Now students, we will see some more examples. मज़ीद मिसालें देखते हैं. For example, if we have a molecule which is made up of 7 carbon atoms. 7 carbon atoms, so we write the structure of 7 carbon atoms: CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Right students? Now we will do the numbering of this molecule. अब हम इस molecule की numbering करेंगे, ठीक है, ताकि हम देख सकें how many carbon atoms are present in the stem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 carbon atoms. ठीक है. So its stem is made up of 7 carbon atoms. What is the stem? Its stem is hept. Hepta means 7. So what is the stem, students, here? Hept. Hept shows there are 7 carbon atoms. Now identify the type of bond which is present between all the carbon atoms. All the carbon atoms are connected with the help of single covalent bond. So we use the suffix ane. Okay, so what is the IUPAC name of this molecule? It is heptane. The IUPAC name of this molecule is heptane. Now see one more example, students. For example, if you have a molecule which is made up of 10 carbon atoms: CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Right students? And we are asked to write its IUPAC name. हमें कहा गया है कि हम इसका IUPAC name लिखें. ठीक है? So identify the stem here. We will write the number on carbon atoms. Do the numbering of carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many carbon atoms are there? There are 10 carbon atoms. So its stem is dec. Deca means 10. Dec. All the carbon atoms are connected with the help of single covalent bond. So we use the suffix ane. So what is the IUPAC name of this molecule? The IUPAC name of this molecule is decane. I hope IUPAC names of alkanes are clear to you, students.